Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll talk about the top 5 Python libraries every data analytics should know. Because if you are going to preparing for data analytics or data science, Python libraries you must know some of the Python libraries that actually help you to cleaning your data, processing your data, and find insight from the data. So for that, the top 5 libraries that you must know. There another few libraries is there. You can know this, but top 5 it must know. The first we'll talk about the pandas. Pandas is very data cleaning and data manipulation tool or libraries that is coming from Python. So pandas, what we can use for pandas? Pandas mainly we use for read the dataset. Okay, if you have a dataset, you can read this. Actually, you transform it into a data frame and you can read this, and we can do lots of manipulation and cleaning and find insight from the dataset with the help of pandas. Just like if you run this code, this is my data in the dictionary form, and we convert into Python pandas data frame. If you run this is how you can see this data columns and row wise. So pandas is very important. So for that, if you are going to learn pandas, so I just go for the pandas documentation. So you can see this how pandas use to getting started. If you click getting started, so you can see this. I can do lots of things, how to create plots pandas and how to kind of what kind of data does Python pandas handle. Lots of things you can see if you go to the documentation. Okay, so pandas is very important library to manage your data, because you cannot do manage your data in Excel is not for the big data. If you have a data set like 1 lakh row, 2 lakh rows, so the Excel cannot handle this, or it is not possible to perform all the calculation or all the cleaning process in the Excel. So for that you have to know pandas if you are preparing for data analytics. Number 2 is NumPy. NumPy is means for first numerical calculation. NumPy, with the help of NumPy you can work with the array, and with the help of array you can perform lots of mathematical and numerical calculation. If you need any mathematical calculation, so you can use NumPy. It is built in on C programming language, but it is wrapper in the Python. So that's why it is library for Python. Because of the NumPy, Python is famous for the data analytics or data science field as a language. We just go to the NumPy documentation, you can see, and documentation getting started. If you click the getting started, so this is how we can import NumPy. This is how we can work with NumPy array. What is NumPy array and what is NumPy array, and how you can perform operation. All of the things is written by here, and you can just go and check it out. So this is how you can create arrange function, input arrange, and once sort. You can also do the sorting with the help of NumPy, concatenation. Lots of things you can do with the help of NumPy. NumPy is very important library to preparing for data analytics or data science. And number 3 is Matplotlib, that is for data visualization. Because after cleaning data or finding insight, you have to presentation the your insight with the help of visualization. So for that you have to know Matplotlib. This is also very important for visualization library that's coming from Python. Just search Matplotlib and you go to the documentation. You can see tutorial. Let's search tutorial. You can plot lots of graph with the help of Matplotlib. See, like this. You can do lots of box plot, column plot, list plot, pin plot, lots of graph. You can present with the help of Matplotlib. This is very important library you have to know for data visualization. Number 4 is Seaborn, statistical analysis, statistical visualization. Seaborn also is very famous library for data visualization, but it is very in the case of Matplotlib, you have to write many lines of code to plot a visualization. But in case of Seaborn, you don't have to do this. You have to just few line of codes. You can plot a graphs. Just go to the Seaborn documentation, and like this you can do lots of things. Just go to tutorial and you can see the graph and installing Seaborn, and this is how you can use Seaborn. Just go to the API. This is how line plot, mark line. This is line plot. Just one line of code, you can create this kind of graph. Let's see how amazing these things with the help of just one line of code like this. This is how you can do easily. You can plot graphs with the help of Seaborn. KD. Just like written one line of code and visualize this kind of graph. This is very important library for data analytics or data science. Data analytics and data science. Number 5 is Scikit-learn, predictive and modeling. Like if you are going to predict your something with the help of machine learning algorithm, and if you are not know much about machine learning algorithm from scratch, but if you want to perform some analysis or predictive analysis, or if you want to build some model with the help of machine learning, so Scikit-learn is very best option for you. You can get lots of algorithm in the Scikit-learn. This is for totally machine learning. You can get 99% algorithm in Scikit-learn. This is a supervised learning, binary, and lots of linear quadratic directional analysis, lots of graph, lots of algorithm you can get in Scikit-learn. You can build any machine learning model with the help of just import the library from the Scikit-learn, and you can use it to make your prediction. So that is how you can do predictive analysis on your dataset with the help of Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is must know if you are preparing for machine learning and if you are going to build some model with the help of machine learning. So Scikit-learn you must know. Scikit-learn means that you have to know that how to column transformer work, how to create pipeline, how to use algorithm, how to input algorithm on your Colab notebook, how to use it. For that you have to must know Scikit-learn. So these are the top 5 libraries that you must know if you are preparing for data analytics as well as data science. So this is the video. If you like this particular video, please thumbs up, and if you have any query, please let me in the comment section. I'll help you out. Thank you guys.